Hi, Jason Keeler here with the Property Review Show in Malibu today. Please subscribe, thank you, as we build this channel up, doing our YouTube real estate talk-throughs. And today we're at Malibu at 7.25, and this is such a good house. This seems good value for money in the Millionaire stakes, and look at it. I mean, it looks good already. The architecture is stunning. The pool looks great, the palms and more. There's a night shot for us, lovely light settings, and it just looks fantastic. It is lit up. Yes, indeed, 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 5,028 square feet. We see beautiful grass garden here, landscape, these big tall palms, and the house nestled on the top here. Big security gates there, and then the hills behind us. It's really fantastic. Only moments away from Malibu Beach, indeed. And what a fabulous home. What a great position. As we enjoy, let's go inside, and it all changes, folks. Come on in. Let's see the use of LED lights here all the way through, and look at it go. Look at this stone with this incredible white vein, wonderful staircase with glass, and then this amazing feature here. Skillion roof there, looking so good. Skylight windows and more as we head around this impressive home for 7.29 million, and looking so good. So just over $7 million, fire pit style fireplace, and some wonderful furnishings as well. Loving this light window here, and then the bifold doors taking us outside to all the plants and shrubberies. Here we have an amazing light feature. It simply is a delight. It's good value in the Millionaire stakes. Beautiful water feature. Let's go outside and see that shortly. And then the dining area here with an amazing light setting to LED lights all around, as these people have modernized this home to give it style and grace. This is the lifestyles of the rich and famous, and we see this incredible island here with lots of PowerPoints and storage, breakfast bar. We've got wine on the side, and it really all comes together to give us a tremendous, tremendous home. Wine fridge and more. Beautiful lacquered cupboards. It really is quite divine. Pitched roof there, gable style, and then we've got the couch looking over the garden to the pool, and just tremendous indeed. There's that pitched roof again in the master bedroom, giving it that style. Quite simplistic, but lovely, easy to look after, and simple on the eye. Easy on the eye. Double sinks with amazing lights here. Tiles all the way to the roof in a stone finish, and then we have a chair in the shower, and a very, very nice area indeed. Yes, for sure. Double sinks, you've got to have them in your ensuite. Big walk-in robe with an island in the middle for socks and other things. And then another bedroom with bifolds heading out into the tremendous garden with olive trees and more. It's simply spectacular. But this is what we've been waiting for. Look at these sinks here. I mean, these wash basins. Have you seen anything like that before? I have not. But beautiful feature wall and more. Let's keep going. Bedroom has, what have we got here? Sliding doors out, and lots of uses of mirror there on the storage cupboards or wardrobes. And then outside we go. This is what you call a droplet light. I mean, all the way home, that is a droplet. Big gable roof here in the alfresco area of the pool room, and then views to the pool as well with a lovely timber topped table. Native natural timber. But there it is, folks. There is the garden. Look at that. I mean, how often do you see something like that? It's tremendous. We've got this waterfall terraced water feature coming down here, and then we've got your staircases up, 2 of them, all the way to the back to fully use this property to relax and unwind, and that is what it is all about. 31223 Ballard Road, Malibu, California, 90265. There it is, folks. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Please subscribe, like, and share if you like too. That'd be great. Catch you then. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.